Haswa bansyam ya kerai ke bakat do ha ke baidai bagi jepun bet sendan yo put usam ubatikna ha pedeng ke Sarkar Assam bat Meghalaya. Ha ka kendai terik urisau kinong mikmat jangki artli ki Regional Committee on Border Issue jogini ki ar Sarkar ki lapenlong ya ke jingjurep ke benengkong banti benya halor ke jinglong terai ke jaka ki puta jangki ar jela ha kisnong kaput ya ke belas sedang shwa ha ka pilang kata Khanapara cluster.
itu পুখুৰী তো আপুনি অসমত প্লে কৰি আছে পুখুৰীটো অসমত প্লে কৰিছে হ'ব না লৈ লওক না পুখুৰী কি আছে তাৰে পুখুৰীটো নিজে ক'ব নোৱাৰে মই অসমৰ বুলি you are claiming that this is yours Assam but wait right side here is rule and right side Meghalaya left side Assam that's it gaon pura headman is saying headman is saying Rasta is mentioning by our village. Okay. We are not demanding that. Are we demanding?
Haswaban penlong yang kena jingjurep haki pratli kisnong ki bahab hapo ke jirang constituency. Kinong mi ikmat ne ki artli ki komiti ki le kendo aswa haga janmiat jongka praterik urisau haga Vivanta Taj Hotel banjurep ki kot kisla jongka kendo ke siap jong baro kisnong ki bedan markab bagi ki jela bala raipat banle ke jing leti benya syakini ki pratli kisnong kini ki pratli kisnong ki badai ki bahab apo kapilang kata Khanapara cluster ki kentup ke Mauyong Barapathar pilang kata A B Maikuli Pathar Kuchi paham kinsho bat ka Khanapara Ibaran ha jaka kapot ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam. Ha kani ke jing jurep ban pensisai ke jinglong trayo put usam na kaliang ka Regional Committee on Boundary for Settlement of Border Dispute lalam khamat do ba preston tensong ko chairman. Nang ta ki laingot ki MLA ki bakentop yu ba dasakyat bahala mare uba Sostenis Sotun ba uba Meral Bonds iem. Bad UMDC uba Victor Rani. Bad kumjo ru kinong mikmat jog Himam Liam Karaj Marwet bakentop ru yaki Majestor jong ka distrik Rimhoy. Kadbana kaliang ke Assam lam ikmat ya ke Regional Committee Kamrup Metro da Upius Hazarika ubadai Menteri jong Jela Assam Chairman nang tau Atul Borwa UMLA ke Dispur ki Majestor ke distrik Dispur bat kibai.
Rasta belongs to Meghalaya. Rasta road belongs to both, right? Roads are Meghalaya. Road belongs to both. Road will also maintain. Right side is Meghalaya, left side is Assam. That's it.
Sir, our jitu rasta hitut Meghalaya Assam rasta kintu Meghalaya manu to ajo kore ami to kono problem
nahi. Ami sab bhai ho. We all brothers. Rasta sab bhai ho. Ami sab bhai hai. Meghalaya hum ki difference. Okay.
Hadian ke jingjurep ikini kisnong na kaliang ba preston tensong ko chairman na ka komiti na ka distrik Ribhoy kumjo bad Upius Hazarika na Assam kilapan pau bagane ke jingjurep ban pentikna yo put usam jong bro artli ki jaka kata jong ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam kalong ke basai so ha ka baleng bakane ke jingjurep layo bantuat jingmut ikinong song snong jong kini kisnong bat bantip benia leng ba kinong elam snong kiliatho bagane ke jingjurep kam de satya kaban ay kanu karai ban penhap yakinu kisnong sya kanu na pedang ki artli jela henrai kani ka digasian ka bandengkong bal penlong ya ke jingjurep ha pedang ki artli ki Sarkar jong ka Assam bat Meghalaya kata hadin ki jingpen krea ban wat benya lengbak ki kot kisla bat dai ha kani ke jingjurep babro artli ki komiti kin sepen mi ka kai pot bat ban sapha ki bor bahalor kata syaki menteri rang ba ka jela Meghalaya bat Assam bat hadian pat onsa ay karai ka batikna.
I'm on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I'm so thankful to the Honorable Minister, Mr. Hazarika, representing the state government of Assam. Because you are all aware that recently the decision was taken between both the Chief Minister, Assam and Meghalaya, that those area of differences that we have all along the interstate border between Assam and Meghalaya, we need to go on the ground, we need to physically do the inspection. So I'm so happy to tell you today, we were able to cover at least six to seven places, which is known as, one is Pilangkata cluster and number 2 is Khanapara cluster. So both these clusters we already visited. Along with the Honorable Minister. So on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I'm so thankful to him. Please understand one thing, this is our inspection. This is only our inspection. Both sides We hear also some views from the local residents of those places, but ultimately this will be taken it up with the highest authority of both the state, means between the Chief Minister of Assam and the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. So very soon, where we have to do that. And the second phase, I think most likely within this month. The name of the place is Baklapara. I think within this month again we will undertake the inspection, physical inspection to the remaining areas, which is already agreed between the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam at the level of the Chief Minister.
Have listened the people of the both of the state. Meghalaya people also have said, and Assam people also have said, but decision will be taken by our honorable chief ministers in high-level meetings. I will submit a report, but this is our not total visit. We have to do another round. So, doing both the round, we'll submit our report. Accordingly, our chief ministers will take decision.